you're looking for a functional, compact SUV with reliability and safety for your whole family, then take a look at this 2021 Jeep Cherokee 80th Edition in granite crystal. With lane departure warning, full speed forward collision warning, 19-inch aluminum wheels, blind spot and crosspath detection, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 28,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen, remote start system, panoramic sunroof, 3.2-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number P9085A.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.